Good morning, boys and girls. This morning we are going to be talking about our activity that goes along with our book this week, Give Us a Smile, Cinderella. And in the story, Cinderella brushes her teeth every day, and her evil stepsisters do not. So we can see that Cinderella has a beautiful smile, and her stepsisters' teeth are rotting out. So, we are going to learn about some proper techniques when brushing our teeth and some cute little activities to go with it. So this week in your packet, you will be getting a happy tooth and a sad tooth. And along with those, you will be getting an activity sheet that just shows the different foods, and you will color them, cut them out, and put them with each tooth. So, we have a piece of cake here. What do you think the cake goes with? Your happy or sad tooth? We have some lettuce down here. What do you think that goes with? Our happy or sad tooth? So today we are going to take our teeth, and we have some paint here to represent our germs. So when we eat our healthy foods and brush our teeth, we have white shiny teeth, a pretty smile, and occasionally we have a piece of candy or that piece of cake, and then we just decide not to take care of our teeth. And so it ends up kind of messy. But in order to take care of that, we have a cute little poem. So we're going to wet our toothbrush. We're going to get some toothpaste on our toothbrush, and we're going to brush our teeth. And so our cute little poem is called Brushing My Teeth. And it says, I have my toothbrush and I have my toothpaste. My mom said I better not rush. Brush in circles. Almost reminds me of the Barney song. Front, back, and in between. So we're going to open our teeth. We're just going to get back there. Make sure we get behind those teeth. If I brush for a while, I will have a happy smile. So what do you think is happening now that we're brushing in circles after we've eaten that cake and those cookies? We're going to turn our water back on and rinse our brush. And then we're going to let our friend have a sip of water. And see, by brushing our teeth, we now have a happy smile again. I hope you all enjoyed this. Happy brushing!